Hi guys! I just want to share with you my latest DIY project for my daughter and her friend. This is Sinuklan headdress for Sinuklan Festival. And colored paper lang pala ginamit ko with satin na ginawa kong rose. And tignan nyo naman yung result. Tada! Yan, ang ganda, diba? Maganda sa paningin ko yan ko sa paningin ng iba. Pero worth it naman kasi nagustuhan ng anak ko pati ng friend niya. And yun lang. Thank you for watching.